Hello, my name is Grumpy. Got introduced to the amazing video, and today I'm so sorry because I didn't post any video because I was sleepy. I was doing some videos, but I couldn't do a video like here. So this is my new video. So now comment down below what should I do. And today we're gonna be showing you Georgie's boat, and I'm gonna be eating some sour candy. So get this video a huge thumbs up and click that bell when I post a new video. So Georgie's boat is gonna be into the end of the video. Now, first, this is so these are things that I hate. Look. Look. Wait, there's a cube here, so cube. Here, look, here is this cube. I didn't put this here. I don't know where it was, but whatever. It's now. Now, wait. Now, Georgie's boat. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, comment down below what should I do next. Now, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Look. Wait, look at the back first. You don't want to understand this. So you can just pause the video and then see Georgie's boat from it. So I already watched it chapter 2. So if you just subscribe to my YouTube channel, you might get a chance to watch the movie. And yeah, so I made some more candy. Wait, first the red one. I'm not gonna eat this whole thing. Okay. Now that's sour. Wait, it's good. Don't forget about this cube. I'm gonna do it around. Now, yeah. I hope you like me. 10,000 likes and see you next time. Goodbye. My wonderful grumpy. Wait, what was that? So yeah. Peace.